Building value in a company is not something you can do overnight. It's not something you get by merely signing up and serving 10,000 companies annually across the country year after year. Building value means you're building quality into what you do at every level. It starts with examining the way you do what you do and considering the quality of the outcome that results. It's a mindset. Building process, establishing documentation, growing your people, and constantly auditing performance are all forms of investment that we here at Track One make over and over again. Our commitment to constantly making progress not only benefits our clients and their people, but it affects our results. It costs precious energy, intellect, time, and money to build this kind of value into our organization, but the result is a better quality of work product, and that means we can better serve our clients. Accreditation as a U.S.-based employment background screening means that our organization has made the decision to establish a standard of quality and performance that satisfies the background screening accreditation program of NAPBS. The standards for accreditation are designed to ensure a minimum standard of compliance with applicable laws. Most companies achieve accreditation and then stop there. But Track One has not stopped at simply achieving national accreditation. Track One takes it further. Every single staff member who is involved in any aspect of the background screening process is fully certified in compliance with the Fair Credit Reporting Act. But we don't stop there. We have done more than what accreditation requires in many other areas of our organization because we understand that the end result is a better product and better results for our clients. One example of this is our Verified Multi-State Criminal Database Report. What that means when we say it's verified is that we do more than just report from a database. We go back to the original source before reporting a hit to make sure nothing in our report needs to be updated. Now that's just one example of how we go above and beyond what others view as a standard practice. Track One does not do the bare minimum. We work hard to go further and further in every area we can. Accreditation of our organization, certification of our professional staff, going beyond industry standards to return better results for our clients. This is what we here at Track One mean when we talk about our value going beyond our accreditation.